Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a frame or a canva, a colored one, a blurred one on your CapCut PC. So you're going to upload your video here and you're going to drag it on the timeline. Now, once the video has been selected, make sure you are on the video section, scroll down until you see canvas, make sure to tick it, and now you're going to choose a blurred or a colored one or whatever you like. For example, let's choose a blurred one now, and let's choose this one. Now, as you can see, you cannot see it because the video itself is on the 100 scale. Now, I'm just gonna do it like so. Now, as you can see, the side ones are a little bit wider than the top and the bottom one. So what you need to do is go ahead, click on the video, make it to, I don't know, 80%. And now you want to go ahead and create a compound clip right there. So just click the right click of your mouse, create a compound clip. Now it's on the 100% again. We want to scale it to like 70 maybe. And then you go ahead and edit this and crop the ratio. Now you are able to crop it as much as you like. I'm just gonna leave it like a little bit wider here. And now you're gonna confirm it. After that, you can go ahead and bring it back to 100. And now, as you can see, it doesn't really fit. So you would need to do again this option. But what you can always do is change the aspect ratio of your video. And after that, it would fit. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.